Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let's solve a physics problem regarding a convex mirror. Here is the question. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeters. We need to find the position of the image. Let's move to the solution. To find the image position, we can use the mirror formula. 1 by F equals 1 by V plus 1 by U. First, let's write down the given values. Since it is a convex mirror, the focal length F is positive 15 centimeters. Object distance U is always negative, so U is minus 10 centimeters. Let's rearrange the equation to find V. 1 by V equals 1 by F minus 1 by U. Substituting the values. 1 by 15 minus 1 by minus 10. Since there are two negatives, it becomes positive. So, 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. The LCM of 15 and 10 is 30. To make the denominators 30, multiply the first term by 2 and the second term by 3. This gives us 2 by 30 plus 3 by 30. Adding the numerators, we get 5 by 30. Simplifying this fraction, we get 1 by 6. Taking the reciprocal, image distance V equals plus 6 centimeters. The positive value indicates that the image is formed behind the mirror. It is a virtual and erect image. Therefore, the image is formed at a distance of 6 centimeters behind the mirror. Thank you. Happy learning.